think about discipline? One of the question comes very often is, how do I discipline my child? What do you think? You said you should acknowledge or give stars. Should you punish as well? What's your view?
Punishment, go and stand in the corner doesn't work. You tell the child that, okay, you are supposed to do this task, you have not done. So what I should do? If I was your son and you were my father, what would you told me? And it has been studied in one of the, I don't remember the author's book. When children were told what punishment we should give you, teacher had done this exercise. They came with the most harsh punishment. We should be made to walk through fire, or we should be, yeah. So they know, so okay, you have not done the task, so what we should do? आज मेरे को आप खाना मत दो. The father said, no, I don't think by not giving food is not a punishment. It is depriving you of what you need. No, Papa, tell him what I should do. Don't use the word punishment. The reprimandation, this punishment about, it really creates a lot of fear in the child.
So the implication should be discussed.
Discussed, yeah. So तुमने ये नहीं किया and I was waiting for you. Like a father tells a son. Like today most of the parents are not too tech savvy. That father tells the son कि बेटा ये भी तो दो तीन ये है messages जरा तू forward कर देगा.
Yeah.
That will depend. So he doesn't do it. So we have not done it. So what should we do now? The child says, okay, I'm doing it right now. Okay, कर डालो. He's doing it ना. Okay. पहले क्यों नहीं किया? No going in the past.
True.
Now, next. And again, as a parents, as you said about discipline, if parents are self-disciplined, children imbibe it. Like if a father comes and throws the bag on the sofa, boys, this had happened in my daughter's school. I mean, this is something I must share.
Sure.
It'll take 2 minutes more. The most horrible scene in a school is parents-teacher meeting day. Okay, the teacher is sitting at the table. The bacha is made to stand opposite teacher, and all other children and parents are standing in the line. It's not that they are standing outside of one parent at a time is called it. And in this case, the mother had lost it. Teacher, ये मेरा लड़का ऐसा है, वैसा है, इसके पापू जैसा ही है, बैग आके फेंकता है, दूसरे भी कहीं निकाल दी. So I got very frustrated. The child was feeling so embarrassed. 8th standard child. And all his friends and other parents watching him be literally stripped. I told that auntie. When I'm with children, I call everybody auntie and uncle. I said, auntie, if you want to complain about his father, go to his father's teacher. उनके साथ complain करो. और बाद में आओ, तब तक हम बात कर लेते हैं. But the simple thing is, like, even the teachers appreciate. They always say, you are the only parent we look forward to meeting. Because I go and tell them, how is your student? That's why I'm giving her a responsibility as a teacher, as a classroom, and its student. It's your responsibility. How is your student?
And that changes the entire frame, because it's not about how is my child, how is the student?
How is your student?
Yeah, so that really changed.
Because the teacher is concerned with the student.
Correct.
Does she ask questions in class? Does she do her homework on time? Does she participate? Does it fine? वो आके घर में आके रोटी नहीं खाती है, वो टीचर क्या करेगी? वो आके खिलाएगी. She's not a nanny. She's a teacher.
So just the last bit I wanted to check with you, if you have any parting best practice or anything.
Okay, yes.
You can.
This is something, as I said, we have to maintain this. Respect. Respect is acknowledging people for born positivity. Negative means it doesn't exist, so why talk about it? Rahul, you are not having a beard. But Rahul, your hairstyle is good. Let me talk about your hairstyle. Then we talk about your specs. Why talk about something which is not there? One, and to develop respect, interpersonal respect, irrespective of age. Everybody respects each other for something in them. And the best thing, which should be again written and stuck up on the wall.
Don't compare, criticize, or complain. Great.
Comparison, compare your child with himself. It's like I tell you, Rahul, you are finding it difficult right now to prepare for exam. But I still remember when you were in 10th standard, the way you had worked yourself up, you would put in 5 hours. So you have the capacity. Right now you are getting distracted.
So you're saying
But
don't
Rahul
compare
is,
with others. Compare with your own
no.
self. Like
Compare with your own self.
with the person self, like what he was.
So then he looks inside, he said, well, yeah, I was able to do it in 10th, then why I'm not able to do? I can do it.
Sure.
Why do you see वो सुनील बच्चा कितना पढ़ता है? तो जाओ उसको बेटा बनाओ. That's what it says in this mind. Criticism, as I said, don't do this, don't do that. No. Appreciation, acknowledgement, affirmation. Even the mother tells the husband, like today when I was in the kitchen cooking, Rahul told me a very nice joke while washing plates. That boy feels affirmed that, my mom liked what I did. Washing dish was a task, but along with that, he connected with her. Or the father tells his wife, आज बहुत मजा आया. When I was teaching him maths, I got stuck up and he solved the problem.
And actually, Dr. But it doesn't happen. They criticize about them in these conversations rather than appreciating, because they will say, how this guy behaves, he's not listening to me. So as a husband wife,
yeah, but even if the husband and wife in earshot distance of the child, when they talk about the child in an affirmative way, goes a long way. I know of one girl, very, very meticulous. So I was saying, you're so meticulous. I said, sir, once I came from school and I was having my lunch. My mom was talking to somebody on the phone. So they said, has your daughter come home? I said, yeah, she has come home. She said, she's so meticulous. I really don't have to worry. By the time I put the plate, she has gone, changed, washed her hands, combed her hair, and she comes and he said, that thing went so deeply with me. So I said, my mother appreciates it. So I keep on doing it. Now she said, that has become a way of my life. I don't have my mother every day coming and appreciating. But I know when I do this, somewhere she must be very happy. So this is how you give reinforcements.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Amrish Bhatt. That was nice in capturing your experience. And thank you all for listening. Wait for the next series. Share your comments and questions. We're going to change as per the requirement. We will create more such sessions in future. So thank you very much for listening in.